The PC 7000, as you can see, is probably about 90% complete right now. The first 980 is about 75% complete. The second one just took delivery on, so we're just getting going on that. And all the small equipment's done. So a lot of things have happened in the month since we talked last. We've got support from our Michigan branch right now that's helping out on this site with welding up the bodies on the trucks, and then we got a couple more working on the shovel. We've had guys from Savage up in the area working at another project we had, so we didn't have to pull manpower from this project. Things are going well. Been a lot of work has happened here in the last month, and there's a lot left to go. We're working 6 days a week. We're working from 6 in the morning till 6 at night. Our techs range anywhere from 10 to 15 a day out here. We've got them split up on the shovel and the trucks, of course. Now as we're nearing the end of the shovel build, we're kind of switching some manpower over to the second truck build.